Hey everyone, welcome to the third week of first grade. This week, we are going to start using our new online classroom. On Monday morning, we are going to log into our Google Meets classroom. That's the classroom we've been using all along. Once you're in that meeting with your teacher at 9 o'clock, your teacher is going to help you to go to the new classroom. In your daily schedule, there is a link. It says go to Newrow. This picture, K-12, goes with it because the company that Newrow is a part of is called K-12. So when you click on the link to go to the Newrow classroom, there is one difference. Instead of just letting you in or having you wait to be let in by the teacher, like in Google Meet, you are supposed to type in your first name into a box and your last name into a box. If you are having trouble typing in your first name and your last name, then you can put a letter in each box. So you could put the letter that your first name starts with into this box and the letter that your last name starts with into this box. You don't have to put your full first name and your full last name. What this does is it shows up with your video picture in the classroom. Your teacher already knows who you are. So if you're having trouble with this part, just put something in this box and something in that box, and it will be okay. You can still enter the session. So after you're done putting in your first name and your last name, or your first letter and your letter of your last name, then press enter session, and you will enter your new classroom. Have a great week.